Okay, let's go on with IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something you taught to your friend or relative. Please, you can start.
Okay, well, my sister lives in USA, and they used to call me on weekends. On one weekend, they called me, and I was playing chess online, and my sister's children's they were very keen to learn about chess. Last summer, they have visited Pakistan in vacations, so I have taught them chess. From very basics. From that, I realized that it's very difficult to taught anything to the new childrens and to new ones. Then I realized that how my teacher taught me when I was very small. So I taught them chess from very basics, that how to move the first coin to the last one. And overall, it was a good experience to teach some good new things to the others. But it's a difficult task, I guess.
Okay, you spoke for 57 seconds.
Okay,
So
sir.
in actual exam, keep talking.
Okay,
When
sir.
examiner interrupts you and says, okay, thank you, then you should stop.
Okay,
Okay?
sir.
Second thing is you're making grammatical mistakes. You said it's difficult to taught. After
To
two, we
teach.
use first form to teach. Then in the past tense, you use present perfect instead of past simple. So like instead of saying I have taught, it should have been I taught. So focus tenses, ideas
Okay.
are good. You are trying to speak, it is also good, but because of weak grammar, you are making mistakes. So try to
Okay.
brush up your basic English
Okay.
grammar, you'll be fine.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.